What's going on, guys? Day number 8, Veganuary special. Don't throw your old bananas away. Don't throw them away. I'm gonna show you what you can do with it right after this. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you what I do with my old bananas. Normally I freeze them, but if I don't freeze it, I make a smoothie right away for this old banana. It's gonna make the smoothie really good. And then with a banana this ripe, I like to use kale. Kale is so healthy. It's an iron-rich food. You know, in a vegan diet, there's not a lot of stuff that gives you iron. You know, my lady friends or subscribers will need the iron a lot more than the male friends. But one way or another, iron is good for you. And you know, kale also has protein and a whole bunch of other nutrients that are vital to your success. You know, getting all jacked and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But today, I'm gonna show you a quick smoothie. I make these smoothies as a very delicious meal replacer, and just sometimes if I want something to drink to go with my meal and I don't want processed juice or soda or, you know, anything like that, or even water for that, you know, that case, I'm gonna show you how to make a smoothie. You can make them many different ways, but I'll show you how I make one of my favorite ones. So yeah, come on, let's get right to it. Alright, first I got my fruit all mixed up for my smoothie, putting it in my NutriBullet. I got all this fruit from Aldi's and Shoppers. Got me a bit of kale. Here's my old banana. Just throw the whole thing up in there. The whole entire banana. We're just gonna throw that in there. I'll throw a bit of the kale. I also have mango, pineapple, and a little bit of frozen banana came in the mix. And also a little bit of peaches. So I want to throw all of that in together. Like I said, if you have hemp seeds or, you know, any of those type of added proteins, you can add that to it as well. Now I'm going to use some great geyser water. Sometimes I use almond milk if I have it available. I didn't have any almond milk in the house, so I didn't use any almond milk. I just used water. I'm sorry, crystal geyser, not great geyser. Now what you want to do is make sure you put your NutriBullet lid on tight. If you have a blender, this works for your blender too as well. But I don't have a blender, I have a new. So you just want to keep mixing up your NutriBullet, and we're just gonna pour our smoothie directly into a cup, and we're about to enjoy this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? That's it though. That's pretty much it. So that's it for today's video. You know, we got the healthy. This is for my whole food plant-based people, you know what I'm saying? So instead of like having like a heavy breakfast, this is something you can do for breakfast for sure. What I like doing sometimes is I'll add a little peanut butter to it, or some protein powder if I have any of that stuff, hemp seeds, chia seeds, any of that stuff. This is actually really good. And you got the kale up in there. Like, I don't even think you know how good kale is for you. The thing is, this might make you have to go to the bathroom. I mean, both ways, but really, you're gonna be flushing your system out. Every time I make a green smoothie like this, I'm in and out of the bathroom.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
This is good. This is good. Look, make you one of these, get your day started. You can't even have a bad day if you drink one of these in the morning. Like, I mean, you you guys up. Don't throw your bananas away. Make frozen smoothies. You can put it in like a Ziploc bag if you're just not ready to use it yet. But I guarantee you, the best smoothies have overripe bananas in them. I am trying to tell you. It's something about it. It might not taste good if you try to, pull that out and eat it like that. But if you put that in a smoothie, I swear to you, it's gonna be so good, so creamy, so nice, so delicious. And this is a good meal replacer. It's got a good, good amount of sugars and stuff. Give you a nice bit of energy. It's gonna clean you out. It's gonna have you feeling good. Honestly, if you have the time, start your day every day with a green smoothie with an overripe banana. And a paper straw too. Follow me on IG at @_veganmechanic. Big trust if you're a Ravens fan. If you're not, I'm sorry. See you in the next video. Peace.